Fredrik Eklund is selling his house. You have to see this. I critique mansions. I tell you 3 things I like about it, 3 things I don't like about it in a short 3-minute video, so you can binge watch them after each other. And in today's episode, we're gonna redo 9573 Lania Lane, 7-bedroom, 8-bath, 5,678 square foot, 11 million even Steven, and it sits on a lot that is almost 14,000 square foot. Now, before I tell you 3 things I like about this property, you should know that the content of this video is purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. I don't guarantee the accuracy of information. For that stuff, you can call Fredrik right here himself. Now, 3 things I love about this property. Number 3 is privé. And if you follow the channel, then you know what that means. It's privacy. You got frontage that is super gated. You got really long hedges all around the property. It feels safe, secure. Backyard, side yard, everywhere. Privacy, it's got it dialed down. The second thing I love about this property is the manicured backyard, meticulously done, olive trees. This stuff is not cheap, guys. It's not easy to be breezy, and this one is breezy. It's beautiful, it's manicured, it's green, it's chic, it's nice. I love it. Now, the number 1 thing I love about this property is 𝐃𝐈𝐍𝐿. And if you don't know what that means, it's because you don't follow the channel. And no, this is not a new addition to the 𝐃𝐈𝐍𝐿 champagne. No, it means gay house in Slavic. Yes, I'm a huge fan of gay properties, and I've been privileged in my real estate career to represent some of the gayest houses and the most beautiful houses. They just got taste, man. You gotta love it. They absolutely know what they're doing. It feels happy, it feels lively. It just, as an analyst, I can appreciate it because it makes my job freaking easier. I'm not freaking doing a cookie cutter. This house initially actually was probably very cookie cutter. And with the efforts of Fredrik and his entourage, we're gonna go with it. He's made it meticulously beautiful and stunning with an amazing color palette that just works well together. Okay, now before I tell you 3 things I don't like about this property, there 19% of the total inventory is new inventory, and 9% of the inventory is getting pending and escrow. That means there's a surplus of inventory piling up in Beverly Hills, and that's why days on the market is 71. Now, if that was too complicated for you and you're like, okay, now what do I do with it? Should I wait? Should I buy? Should I not? Version 3.0, which is going to be launched very soon, is going to give you a recommendation. So log in right now and sign up before the prices go up. Okay, 3 things I don't like about this property. The 3rd thing I don't like about this property, look, I just said I love the decor, I love the finish and it's everything, but pink is a major commitment every day. It might not be for everyone, but the problem is it's just so well paletted together. It just, the colors, everything works so well with each other, from the freaking colored library and the rugs and the exterior and interior and the decor and the couches, that you touch one of them, you might have to change a lot of other things to just accompany that, balance the palette again, and that could be a negative. The second thing I don't like about this property, it's dead center north facing. There's no sugarcoating yet. Even Fredrik can't sell that to you himself. I can tell you, it's not gonna get that much sun compared to other properties. You can't change that about the property. Okay, the number 1 thing I don't like about this property is its proximity to the cold water canyon. It's the 2nd house in. It's gonna be loud. You're gonna hear cold water. I'm sure they have water fountain and features to soften the noise, but that's always going to be there. That's something you can't change about the property, but it's at least very close to Beverly Hills and in the center of the town, and the proximity is really nice. Now, if you like this video, you probably like one of these videos. Visit zipsmart.ai and get out of here.